So we are done. Look at that. Okay, so now let's go on and tear into these. Hey, hey, you are watching Rolling with BJ in the kitchen, as you can see. Now, tonight we are going to do a crispy, nice, juicy party wing, okay? We're going to deep fry it. We're going to put some nice, good seasonings on it, and oh my goodness, we're going to have a ball. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my party wings. I washed them up real good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put slits in them. And then we're going to season them up, okay? So you just want to give it a slice down to the bone. And then after that, we're going to put them in a bowl, and we're going to add our seasonings. So after I finish putting the slits in all of them, I'll come back and we'll talk about the seasonings we're going to use, and we're going to get this party started. Alrighty, I'm ready. So all the chicken is got the nice little slits in it. Now we're going to add some ginger and garlic, okay? I chopped it up in my little chopper, and now we're going to just sprinkle this all in there. So it was 1 bowl of garlic and about 1.5 inches of ginger. Okay, and my chopper, it is a Vita Sana, and it's by Princess House, in case you wanted to know. Okay, we're going to add salt and pepper. We're going to add oyster sauce. And this is about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Excuse me. Now we're going to put our glove on and mix it all together. Make sure all of them are coated nicely. Okay, and as far as the salt and pepper, it was about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of salt and pepper. Okay, so now you want to get you a couple of eggs and beat them together. Oh, you guys, this smells so good. So I'm going to let my chicken sit right here in this sauce for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to get my oil going, get my oil hot. And just let you guys know, we are going to do 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, we're going to mix this up. And then get you 2 eggs and beat them. And this is going to be for our batter, for our chicken. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, my oil is hot. I got everything set up. I got my flour here. I got my egg batter. And I got the chicken over here. And the deep fryer right over here. So we're going to just start dipping these chicken wings, these party wings, into the egg batter. Then we're going to go over into the flour. Okay, I'm going to shake them off, and I'm just going to lay them right here for a couple of seconds. Just to let the flour set in. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this with all of them. And then we're going to deep fry them. So I'm going to go on and do 3 now, just to show you. And then I'll do the other chicken off camera. So you just want to cover them with flour and shake them really good. Just let them sit for a couple of minutes, couple of seconds rather. Okay, so I'm going to go on and dump these. Not dump, but I'm going to go on and put these in the deep fryer. And that's exactly what you're going to do. Okay, and we're going to have some nice crispy chicken wings, party wings, when we're done. Okay, I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll be back. Okay, I told you I will let you know when I'm done. So we are done. Look at that. Okay, so now let's go on and tear into these. They season so good. I'm trying to eat cute, but you guys, and the chicken is so light and fluffy. It's light, fluffy, and crunchy, if that makes sense. But, ooh. You know how you go to Chinese, the little fast food Chinese places and get your chicken wings? That's what this tastes like. Yep. Finger licking good. Okay, you guys. I'm going to go in and take care of this. And I will see you back here in the kitchen rolling with BJ next week. Until then, be safe, be blessed, and I will see you next week. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.